Hey loves, thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time, I'm Revi and you are welcome to my channel. Now today's video is an Ankara inspired video, and oh my goodness, I loved the outcome and I'm feeling this red lipstick. My god, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, let's get right into it. I already have my NYX jumbo pencil on my eyelid and we are not going to set it so that the colors will appear more vibrant. I'm using my Morphe 35B and I will start with this color. Is the yellow color from the palette. I'm going to apply it with this fluffy brush, just first of all packing on the color and tapping it on the lid, and then we'll go back in and blend it. What I was supposed to do actually was to set our brow bone with this white shade. Now continue blending our yellow eyeshadow. Next color I'm going to take is this orange shade from the same palette. With this brush, let's pack on the color in our crease first, then we'll blend. Alright, so to further deepen that orange shade, I'm going to take this fiery red shade. It's called Blaze from the Morphe 3502 palette. For the next colors, I'm going to mix brick. I'm going to take brick and apply it on the crease, and then on my outer V to define it, I will take this shade right here. It's called Rich from the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to use that darker color on the outer V to kind of define my eyes and contour my eyeballs. So I'm going to take my NYX jumbo pencil in milk. I deposited it into this because I was tired of that stick. Can't sharpen it, nothing, so I deposited it into this, and I'm just going to use that on a flat brush, synthetic brush, to cut my crease. Alright, so we are going back in with this yellow shimmery shade and we're going to apply that all over the lid, all the way almost to the very end. With that same brush, I'm going to take the shade Sauce right here, this one, and I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my lid. The reddish color we have at the edge, we want to use that shimmery shade to blend those two together. Then I'll go over that red shade with the yellow we applied on the lid. I'm going to apply a bit of that NYX jumbo pencil because the colors we used, they are not so vibrant, they don't pop as much. And using that same brush I used for the colors, I'm going to apply all the colors I use in the crease. I'm going to apply that on my lid and do like an ombre look. Just watch and see. For my waterline, I'm going to use a brown pencil instead of black. I just feel like it goes well with the whole look. Alright guys, so I am done with the eyes. I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes, and we'll be right back. Okay, my country people, we are back. Highlight for my face, I'm going to use my Nye Banana Powder, and I'll apply that using a damp sponge. I'm going to set my contour with my Zaron loose powder in the shade LZ25, and then I'll set my entire face using the Zaron loose powder in the shade LZ20. I'm so sorry guys, the gen is on. You know NEPA now, they've done their thing again. So I'm going to highlight my face using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and my Real Techniques setting brush. I'm just going to finish up the look, and I'll list the products I use up here in the screen, or maybe on this side, so you know exactly, and also in the description box so you know exactly what I used. Okay. Okay guys, so we have come to the very end of this video. Thank you so very much for sticking with me till this time. You are the best. You're the real MVP, guys. If you're not yet subscribed already, please do so and join the family. We're almost at 50 subscribers. Yes. All right, I love you so much, and remember, to thy own self be true. I will see you in my next video. Bye.